Greetings everyone, Joseph James here with your nightly newsletter brought to you by theschooloftrade.com. Today was July 24th, 2009. Boy, what a pleasant surprise this morning. We were expecting to see a sleepy summer Friday, and we got almost the exact opposite. We went 7 for 8 today here in the room. 7 for 8, 7 winners, 1 loss, 8 total trades. And before we go into our results for the day, I want to remind you guys that we have a wonderful free resource on our YouTube page, youtube.com/School of Trade. Guys, head on there, check out our videos. We have lots of terms, lots of useful information, and of course, it's a free resource. Make sure you guys, when you go on there, please take a second to rate the videos and comment on those videos, guys. It's going to help us spread the word about the School of Trade. Let's talk about our totals for today. Now today, 7 for 8, took some trades in the DAX, took trades in the crude oil today, brought in $1,295, guys, on 3 contracts today only, right? 7 for 8 today. That brings our weekly total to $25.90 and our monthly total to $62.40, right? So we're kind of plugging our way through this sleepy summer month of July. Let's talk about our trade room. Our trade room opens at 2:45 a.m. and we trade the European session and the U.S. session. Now, keep in mind, guys, on Monday morning, next Monday, we open up at 7:30, right? Mondays are the only days that we open at 7:30. So we don't open at 2:45 on Mondays. Only Mondays we open at 7:30. The beginner's course is highly recommended for all trial members, so download a copy of the beginner's course. The room is open for trial members and lifetime members. So come out and join us. We have 3 jobs: identify the news in the market, adjust to that news and adjust to the support and resistance levels we see in the market, and execute our trades. We practice patience and discipline, waiting for the perfect high percentage opportunity. We stop thinking so much, we don't overanalyze, and we let our simple mechanical rules do the trading. Now, if you guys are with us today, you guys saw a bunch of winning opportunities here. Lots of opportunities for trades today. Lots of opportunities for learning today. We went over a ton of new materials with our guests today. Learned a bunch of great things about one contract trading, our support and resistance levels, about follow through, reading the tape. We talked about so many great topics today, guys. It's hard to imagine we had any time to trade along with it, but as you can see, we still did, right? Every day is exactly the same, right? We're always going to be looking at these trades, qualifying each one of them, showing you why we take them, why we don't take them, and of course, increasing that level of knowledge about our methodology every single day. Now, we started our day off pretty good here. And that was 350 this morning, a 2-step short at 43, took profit at 4 ticks, 8 ticks. This put 12 ticks in our pocket here at 350 for a 6-point total winner there on the DAX. 2-step is a counter trend trade setup, a little bit higher risk than a wave pattern. And of course, as you guys can see, as we moved through the 4 o'clock hour, we looked for another couple more setups. Didn't see anything happen until we got into about 4:15. 4:15, 2-step short, another counter trend reversal pattern. Took profit at 4 ticks, 8 ticks, and then 14 ticks. Total of 26 ticks or 13 points on that winner. So 19 points before we broke at 6 o'clock this morning for our break. Obviously at $35 USD per point, 19 points, never going to get us off to a bad start. So wonderful to see this morning in the DAX. Now, it wasn't long thereafter. The crude market came back from our break at about 8 o'clock. We usually break from about 6 o'clock to 7:30, 7:45. We came back to the market at 8 o'clock, and the crude started moving on us up and down. And as you can see, guys, looking at this chart, it's pretty easy to see this is a sideways range. This is a sideways market. No higher highs, no lower lows, nothing but horizontal sideways price action. And as you guys can see here, we grabbed a ton of points out of this market in just about an hour and 15 minutes. 827, 2-step long at 67 even. This was one of those scratch trades, right? Took our first target of 3 ticks, moved our stop into entry, and bounced us out for a 3-tick winner here. Wasn't long thereafter, 851, a 2-step short. This was labeled as a high risk short at 21. Now, this was high risk because of support we had below. Now, I knew about it. We announced it live in the room. It was a high risk short. I had to exit early on this one for a small loss. 3 ticks per contract on this loss. 369, 3 contracts is a 9-tick loss. So I took 9 ticks back, right? So we're negative 6 ticks in the market on the crude oil at about 851. And as you can see, we continued to go back up and down looking for more waves, more 2-steps. And at 9:10, just about 20 minutes later, A two-step long here. This re-entry was at 67 even. Okay, so this was a re-entry right on the initial here. So 67 even. We took 3 and 6 for a total of 9 ticks. And then coming all the way back up here, guys, all the way back, 9:48 this morning, just before the 10 o'clock hour. This is a two-step short at 34. The initial entry at 34 got us 3 ticks. We had a re-entry back again at 34, where this time we made some more money here. 3, 6, and 10 ticks as we scaled out of our position. 19 ticks on that second winner, a total of 21 ticks. So we made 3 ticks the first trade, gave back 9 ticks, got those 9 ticks back, and we made 21 ticks. So a total of 24 ticks, $240, which is $10 per tick, okay, per contract. So $240 here in the crude oil in a matter of an hour and 15 minutes. But we weren't done yet, guys. We were not done yet. We still had to get some DAX trades finished up. Now here you go, 9:57 this morning. This, of course, now getting into the 10 o'clock hour here. A wave short. This was high risk because of support below. I did not take this trade. A lot of our members did, though. And again, as you know, we call these trades live in the room. We'll tell you exactly why they're high risk, where our entries will be, and it's up to our members to decide if they want to take these higher risk opportunities or not. Now, of course, I did take the second trade here, and this was at 10:09 this morning, a two-step short. This one made us some pretty good money, guys. Again, a two-step, a counter trend trade, so I'm taking profit a little bit earlier here. So plus 4 ticks, 8 ticks, and then 11 ticks on this runner. Could have got a couple more points out of it, but decided to take my profit early on that last runner for 11 ticks. Total of 23 ticks there, guys, 11.5 points. As you guys can see, we are now up in the 30-35 point range now of the day on the DAX. So add it all up, guys, a little under $1,300 here in the profit column for our trade account today on only 3 accounts, guys. Great day, great Friday. What a wonderful day to wrap up a great week and to send us into the weekend here on a summer weekend. Let's recap. Our trade room opens on Monday at 7:30 a.m. Tuesday through Fridays, it opens up at 2:45 a.m. We'll trade 8 different markets. We'll give you live trade calls with entries and targets and stops. We'll show you how we manage our trades, how to take profit and exit. Plenty of opportunities for questions. There'll be education all day. You'll see the market in a completely different way, guys. This I promise. And we'll give you a free 3 weeks as part of our trial just to come out and give us a try. I want to remind you guys, the beginner's course is recommended for all trial members. And remember, guys, our YouTube page, youtube.com/School of Trade, is a wonderful free resource. When you go onto our YouTube page, please, guys, rate and comment on those videos. It'll help us out dramatically. Drop us an email for more information, sales@schooloftrade.com, or pick up the telephone and give us a call. My name is Joseph James. I'm the developer of the James Webb method of trading. It's been a pleasure to help educate you on the methods we use. Look forward to seeing you on Monday morning at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time in our trade room. And as always, guys, hope the video helps. We'll see you next time.